Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are having water yam and egg sauce. Yeah, this is not your usual yam, no, this is not the normal yam, you know. This is water yam, a kind of yam though, and it is very delicious. It might even be more delicious than the normal yam that you know. It's been long I last ate water yam. I think it's been over 10 years. Yeah, it's been over 10 years because since I left the village I haven't even seen it in my area. But this particular one, someone traveled to the village and brought it for me, and you can't imagine how happy I am. So I just decided to prepare it for lunch today. So like I said, this is not your usual yam. You know that normal yam takes long before it gets done, but this one within 5 to 10 minutes it is done already. And if care is not taken, it's going to turn to water in your pot. So I kept checking the pot every minute because of that, to avoid it turning to something I don't know. I just checked for the second time and I discovered that it is done already. Oh my god, I had to quickly remove it before it turns to water. As the name goes, it is water yam, so it doesn't take long before it is done. So at this point, it is time to prepare the egg sauce. And guys, please, if you're enjoying this video, feel free to drop your comments, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And now food is done, guys. Come with your plate. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell icon so that whenever I drop a video you'll be notified. Bye. See you on my next video.